Hi everyone, it's Aaron Eller, your product manager for ISO turning and advanced materials here at Seco Tools, and I'm here to share with you our new modular quick change tool holder for small part machining, also known as Swiss tools. Now, tight spacing and limited access in these sliding head machines makes insert indexing difficult and time consuming. With the quick change modular system, with only one screw for precise connection between the head and the shank, you can quickly remove the head and the insert as one assembly for fast and easy indexing. Another common challenge is erratic chip behavior that causes production stoppages. With the Jetstream tooling and Jetstream Duo, you get consistent coolant precisely to the cutting zone. The system utilizes all the existing Jetstream hoses that are available today and can be plumbed from the back or from the side, depending on machine configuration. To round out our small part machining solutions, we are also expanding our range of TS2050 inserts for those applications that require high quality surface finishes and precise component dimensions. The TS2050 grade is PVD nano laminate coated and resists built-up edge, maintains edge integrity, and gives you that optimal part quality. The quick change product range consists of inch and metric shanks. We have ISO turning heads, multi-directional turning heads, heads for snap tap threading, and heads for 150-10 cutoff. For more information, reach out to your Seco representative or visit the contact page at secotools.com. Thank you.